Welcome back to Go Restaurant English, guys. In part 1, we covered entering the kitchen and getting ready to eat. Now, in part 2, we learn how CJ eats his meal and heads out. Let's get started with verse 9. I'm slicing it up, making a sandwich. This means I'm slicing the bread to make a sandwich. Slicing it up is casual for slicing. Say it, I'm slicing it up, making a sandwich. Imagine CJ getting ready to eat after a mission. Sandwich is ready. Time to eat it. So chomping down, filling my belly. I'm chomping down, filling my belly. This means I'm eating my bread to fill my stomach. Chomping down is eating with appetite. Repeat, I'm chomping down, filling my belly. CJ needs energy for his next adventure. While eating, take your time and enjoy it. Taking my time, enjoying the meal. I'm taking my time, enjoying the meal. This means I'm chewing slowly and enjoying my food. Even CJ takes his time sometimes. Say, I'm taking my time, enjoying the meal. Finished eating. Now, swallow it down and get ready for more or to move on. So, swallowing it down, ready for more. This means I'm swallowing my food and ready to move on. CJ always prepared. Repeat after me. I'm swallowing it down, ready for more. Hey homies, we're halfway through part 2. If you're enjoying learning English with CJ style, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more. Also check out part 1 if you haven't already, and our other videos like Learn English with GTA, Dress Like CJ using street slang, or GTA English, Master Los Santos slang and daily conversation. Now let's continue with what CJ does next. I'm shutting the cooler, keeping it cold. This means I'm closing the refrigerator to keep food cold. Cooler is a slang for fridge. Say, I'm shutting the cooler, keeping it cold. CJ keeps his supplies fresh. Now you can take a moment to relax. So, kicking back, relaxing. I'm kicking back, relaxing. This means I'm sitting on a chair and relaxing. After eating, CJ chills. Repeat after me. I'm kicking back, relaxing. Good for CJ. But you cannot stay too long. Time to get up and move. So getting up, time to move. I'm getting up, time to move. This means I'm standing up, ready to go. CJ always on the go, or CJ always on the move. Say, I'm getting up, time to go. I'm getting up, time to go. Finally, I'm heading out, time to roll. This means I'm walking to the hallway to leave. Time to roll means time to go. Repeat, I'm heading out, time to roll. CJ is off to his next adventure. That's it for part 2, homies. You've learned 8 more phrases to sound like CJ. Keep practicing and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment with your favorite phrase. Check out part 1 if you haven't. And stay tuned for more English lessons with a GTA twist. Peace out.